Winner. Baara kita ng Selena. Beauty, beauty. Bismillah. Shall we? Tagasa Kaiser. Diamond 64. Shall we? Hi, Clyde. Jessie. Thanks for talking, crazy man. It's a beauty. Classy lover. Hi, Classy. Jessie, how are you? King, thanks ga pa, kay friendly ka. Currently na ako Negros now. Uy, syempre, basta Bisaya managad manggujud ta, naunsa di ay ka. Dili pwede nga Bisaya, dili tagdon diri naunsa. Negros, nakoy kaila taga Negros, pero nakaila ra pud ako siya diri sa Vigo, lalaki siya. Admin ako siya dati, sa dati na ako na family diri. Mr. Love, I'm okay and you. I'm okay also, Jessie. Better than yesterday as always and forever. I'll pray. What are you doing right now, Jessie? Aaron and Mr. Block. Ano yan? Boss Pao. Yasu. Asa di ay karon? Nakog Davao. Taga Davao ko. Not much currently. Why? What happened, Jessie? Is there any problem? Ha? Jejin. Ha? Abise. Abisage. Given a throne, I don't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be. Try to play myself, how can you find out? Choco, welcome back. Papa, ano yan? Papa Sig. Hi, Papa Sig. Shall we, Papa Sig? Welcome back, Papa Sig. How are you? It's your boy. I'm just chilling. What time is it there now? Are you in your house or are you outside with friends or alone? Ivar, thank you for following. Nice siguro sa Davao. Oo, nindot kay diri kami sa kamanapangit ang Davao Ginoo ko adto ka diri mura kag naa sa kuan lay nasod. Thanks, Nick. Thank you so much. Hi, Crazy. 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 TRX. Thanks for talking. Do you know, guys, if you had planned to visit Davao, you can DM me here in Vigo chat. You can ask whatever